Hi everybody, and welcome again to a video flip through. This is kind of an unusual one. This is a Halloween spooky spell book that is a do-it-yourself, and I'm going to explain to you what that means. So this is a lovely little journal that has a kind of a spooky cover. It's made out of an old vintage book. It actually measures a nice 7 3/4 by 5. It has a really nice spine of sewn in ribbon. It has one signature that is also sewn in. It's put together with this lovely black satin ribbon with these little rivets on the side. And the beauty of this journal is that it's a starting point. So everything you need to make your own very cool Halloween journal is included in this kit. So as you can see, the cover has some really cool subliminal, there's a skeleton there in the background that's stenciled on top of the spider web kind of glistening material. The lady has a beautiful silky cloak that is dimensional here. And on the back is this serpent, and the serpent is kind of follows you when you move. It's very cool. Again, has a nice spine, lots of ribbon on the pages. And you're probably wondering, what is all that mess in the background? Well, everything that you see in the background is what you get to make your own journal. And I'm going to go over those in detail. So inside, as you can see, there's no embellishments. The cover is finished inside and out with one sewn in signature. There's some witchy paper here. There's tons of pages here that are echo dyed, coffee dyed, tea stained, rusty letter dyed, and lots of pages just for journaling. But the purpose again of this is to take this book and make it your own awesome creation. So I've done the start for you. I have put the ribbons and the lace on the sides of the pages. There's a couple of pages where I did glue on an embellishment. Here's a little cluster that I glued on. And you can look at the other videos on our YouTube channel to kind of get some inspiration, if you like, for how to create your own masterpiece. So let's move on to what do you get with this kit to make all of your own embellishments. We'll set her aside for just a moment. And what I've provided here basically is everything that you need, from papers to ribbons to lace. There's an entire bundle here of different types of Halloween fabric, cloth, lace. There's tooling, there's ribbons, there's all kinds of different, I think there's over 25 pieces here that you can use to make this your own. And then, as I said, there's all different kinds of paper. There's over 100 pieces in total. Some of them are in fact glued onto some nice construction paper. Some of them are have, back sides that you can use. There's spider webs. I've included this kind of spooky little tablet that you can use to make another little tablet. There's awesome illustrations. There's a lot of just orange or black paper that's embossed. There's, again, tons of illustrations. There's some of that serpent skin, Halloween greeting cards that are old ephemera. There's, again, embossed pages, more embossed pages with spider webs. You can see that. Again, more cards. Here's some vellum that I've copied the Monster Mash onto. There's cutouts from magazines, construction paper. There's everything from owls to witches to the creepy little cards. There's skeletons. I've created one little tablet to kind of give you a inspiration there on how to make those. There's belly bands, there's tabs, There's construction paper and craft paper and Halloween paper, some acorns, again, more nice plain paper to use. There's cards you can ink around the edges. There are devils and pumpkins and corrugated paper. There are also some corner pockets that I've completed, just again to give you some inspiration there. There's blank tags galore that you can embellish and make on your own. Here's some more over here. That's a tombstone. There's a little ring tab. There's blank tabs, all kinds of tabs there. I've also provided some really cool orange string. I'll put over there with the rest of the cloth. Again, more pumpkins and hats and bats and skeletons and cats. Borders that you can use, little tiny tablet paper. There's, again, embossed paper. Everything that you could possibly need to complete this journal is included. Here are some cardboard corner pockets that all you have to do is cover with your favorite paper. Here's a really fun old haunted house picture. And of course, you may have some things of your own that you want to use. Here's some sheet music, ghost, witches, and monsters. Here's a pocket that I made, sewed around the edges, that all you have to do is glue around the 3 corners and lay it down, and you've got a really cool pocket. There's these little tags that are made out of very vintage photo album paper. There's even a little black cat. Here's some lace cutouts. I've also included these little stickers, lots of little tiny tags that you can see here, cats and pumpkins and all kinds of fun things. And I have this little piece of sequin material, and then I've made 2 snippets again to give you some inspiration. These are sewn, you just glue them down on the page. There's a snippet here. This one is also a cluster that is finished on the back, and that's an inspiration to make your own. And another whole pile of stuff. And then I'm also including this awesome spider web cloth and a piece of this vintage black lace. So that is everything you need in a nutshell to make your own creation. And imagine, I'll even throw in this little spider, but imagine being able to say, hey, check out this incredible Halloween journal that I made by myself. And it, again, could be a witch's journal, it could be a spell book, it could be all kinds of different things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a lot. There's a lot of stuff here. So very much appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to check it out. And I hope you're inspired. And if you'd like to purchase this, I'm telling you it's not going to last. So go to our Etsy store at www.we'rejusttwosisters.etsy.com, and it'll be there until it's gone. And again, that's we'rejusttwosisters.etsy.com, and that's We're Just Two Sisters with the number 2. Don't miss out. This is a fun one. Hope you're ready for fall and enjoying the cooler weather. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.